Hey guys! Are you want to buy best seat covers for Lexus RX 350? Then you are on the right place. Our today's video is about top 5 best seat covers for Lexus RX 350 that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at faux leather car seat covers. If you are looking for Lexus RX 350 leather seat replacement, then faux leather car seat covers by Lucyman Club will be a great fit for your ride. These seat covers are exclusively made to fit various SUVs and sedans, with RX 350 being one of the prime models for it. You get a full set in the package. These seat covers are built well with enough space to expose your seat controls and airbags to come out. The faux leather is soft, comfortable, and does not smell. These seat covers are compatible with inbuilt seat belts and cup holders. Also, the non-slip fabric ensures that the covers do not move from their place while you get in or out. The seat covers are waterproof, scratch-proof, and easy to clean. All you need is a wet towel, and you are good to go. Now our second product is Oasis Auto OS009 Faux Leatherette Car Seat Covers. One of the best Lexus RX 350 car seat covers that you can buy for your entire seating area is Oasis Auto OS009. These seat covers are made of faux leather and are a universal fit, making them compatible with 4-door sedans, SUVs, and trucks. They can also be used in 2-door coupes or picks. These car seat covers for Lexus RX 350 will help you cover up your faded and old interior. And if you own a brand new ride, they will ensure to keep it that way for a long time. With a wide range of color choices, these seat covers are ideal to give the unique look to your vehicle. To help you with installation, you get a step-by-step installation video to guide you through the process. Furthermore, you get a 30-day money guarantee that ensures safety on your purchase. Our third product is Aoog Leather Non-Slip Universal Fit Cushion Covers. Another universal fit Lexus RX 350 car seat covers you can buy in 2023 are Aoog Faux Leatherette Cushion Covers for cars, SUVs, and trucks. Whether you want a full set, front set, or Lexus RX 350 rear seat cover only, you can get it all with this brand. The seat covers are made of high-grade leather materials that can protect your interior from any kind of damage. They are durable, wear-resistant, waterproof, and super easy to clean. You will get protection against any kind of spills and stains that might occur inside your ride. Apart from this, the stylish design is a bonus as it upgrades your entire interior for the best. These seat covers are safe and are compatible with built-in airbags. The installation is quite easy as you get the installation manual in the package. Now number 4, Coverado Breathable Fabric Car Seat Protectors. Coverado Lexus RX 350 car seat covers are made of durable and breathable fabric. These seat covers are designed with 3D modeling and are soft and comfortable. You can use them to either spruce up your interior or protect it from damage. These seat covers offer superior protection against harmful sun rays and are fading resistant. These Lexus RX 350 seat covers can stay warm and cold and cool in the heat. They are water resistant and protect your seats from any kind of spillage and stains. The entire set is an armrest, seat belt, airbag, and seat adjustments compatible. You will face no problem in maintaining the functionality of your ride. The storage pockets offer ease of placing essentials in a safe place. Furthermore, you get a 30-day money-back guarantee and 12 months warranty on your purchase. And our last choice is Leader Accessories 17 PCS Auto Seat Covers. Get yourself Lexus RX 350 leather seat covers that are extremely soft, durable, and highly breathable with leather accessories. This seat covers come with foam padding, making your long route journey comfortable for you. The seat cushions can protect your vehicle from any kind of spill, stains, and even the scratch that your pets tend to make while playing in the rear. Maintenance of these Lexus RX 350 seat cover replacements for the original ones is quite easy. All you need to do is wipe them and then air dry. The entire set is compatible with side airbags, cup holders, and is easy to install. One crucial thing to notice is that the rear seat covers come separately for the bottom bench and the backrest. This helps all the parents out there to adjust child car seats easily. This entire package includes 17 pieces. Apart from the seat covers, you get 1 rear seat cushion, 5 headrest covers, 1 steering wheel cover, 4 shoulder pads, 2 air fresheners, and 1 cloth mesh. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.